In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a camera enforcement ticket online. To get started, open your browser and go to the Mayhulika website. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct platform, since this is where you can check and pay eligible camera enforcement violations online. After you're inside the platform, look at the top menu. You'll find an option labeled Pay My Fine. Click that to move to the payment section. This will take you to the part of the site where you can begin the process of settling your violation through the available online channels. On the next page, continue to the section for paying your violation through authorized channels. This is important because it confirms that you're using an official payment route. From there, select your preferred payment method. Choose the option that works best for you and make sure you're comfortable with that method before continuing. Once you've selected how you want to pay, click Proceed to Payment. The site will then ask you to enter the details needed to locate your violation. First, type in your plate number carefully. Double check it before moving on, because even a small typo can prevent the system from finding the correct record. Next, enter your MV file number in the appropriate field. As with the plate number, accuracy matters here, so it's a good idea to review the information once before submitting it. When both details are entered, click Check, Pay My Fine to continue. At this stage, a notice labeled Before You Proceed will appear. Read this section carefully. It usually contains important reminders, conditions, and information about the payment process. Don't rush past it, especially if it includes guidance about verification, processing, or payment confirmation. After reviewing that information, agree to the terms and conditions by selecting the appropriate checkbox or confirmation option. Once that's done, click Check for Violations. The system will search for any camera enforcement violation linked to the information you entered. If there is a matching violation, it will appear on the results page. Review the details shown on screen so you can confirm that the violation is the correct one. After that, go ahead and proceed to payment to complete the transaction. As a final tip, keep a copy of your payment confirmation or receipt once you're done. It can be useful for your records in case you need proof of payment later. And that's it. Those are the steps to pay a camera enforcement ticket online through the Mayhulika platform.